here this morning. Drove down to Lake Guntersville for a tournament. The local guys. I think there's 30, 35 of us in it. So I've never fished this lake. Made the trek down here. Got a bigger tournament coming up at the end of the month that I'd like to fish, so I figured I'd come down here and do this one as some practice. Not really sure what to expect. I mean, it's Guntersville, so you never know what you'll run into, but tons of grass, and know it's going to be tough getting through some of it with this kayak, but hopefully it'll be all worth it and catch some giants out of here. Just hang out and let's see what we can do. Well, we got us a Guntersville baby, that's for sure. Little bitty guy, first Guntersville fish. So hopefully today gets better than that one for sure. There we go. A little better one. Little fat guy though, so they are up here eating, that's for sure. But hopefully I can just find some about 10 times his size. There we go. That's a better fish. Well, that's a chunk. Things, they're up here feeding like crazy. It's just a matter of being able to get them to take what I have and get a few in the boat. But that's a good one. I'll take him for sure. We'll let this guy go. He's right at 17 inches, so that'll give me a start in this tournament, and hopefully we can continue to redo that and get a few of these guys. There's just another little one. Nope, he came off. There we go. No giants yet, but that's another keeper, so that's a good sign. Alright, I'll let this guy go. That's a 14 1/4, so I get to count that one. Move me on up. Keep going. There we go. Got us another small one. Run down in that grass. Another little one. Got my 3 fish for the tournament though, so I think I'm in 12th or 13th place right now. So gonna keep trying to move up. I think I got 2 hours left to fish. Try and catch some bigger ones and hopefully cash a check.